Love to talk about our core four values. These are my core four values that we also translate to Smart Green Solar. These are the values that any company that I'm a part of will always exist. And these core four values go discipline, integrity, accountability, loyalty.
The culture that we have at this company, and just understanding that I was working, in fact, for a company that's not just focused on dollars and cents, but also the societal impact and the cultural impact that they'd have was very important to me. So I saw that, and I think that personally it helped me kind of solidify my belief in Smart Green Solar.
At Smart Green Solar, we have our 7 principles of success. We were able to take these principles and apply these principles, and we were able to scale our initial startup, and we use our 7 principles as our pursuit of perfection, and we learn and grow and become better, and they go like this. Positive mental attitude, 110% commitment, ability to follow directions, ambition and desire to become successful, set smart goals, embrace change, value time.
You're promoting a product, but the thing is, the product is good. It's good, the customer service is good.
I enjoy growing people. I enjoy engaging with people. We care about the relationships we cultivate and create with our customers. We care about providing them with the right solutions and educating them.
They kept their promises. I can't sing enough praises to Smart Green Solar.